Alright, so this is one of my new 3D printed puzzles, and I consider this one really hard. The first thing you can notice that is it twists, but actually what you don't notice at first is that it completely comes off. So first thing that I like to identify is where I am. So I'm here on this little long bit there. So if we go back down here. Okay, there we are. If we go back down there. Alright, so there we are again. Go around, down, up. We're close to the end now. So what you gotta do is go backtrack a little bit. Go up. And we're done. Like and subscribe for more.